Another fabulous Range Rover Sport SVR in Estoril Blue, latest model, 23,000 miles, beautiful spec, the flagship colour, £87,990. So if you're looking at the moment, these cars, they've increased over the last few months price-wise. This is one of the first of the new generation, the new 575 brake horsepower engine, and it's priced on the money to sell. Full black exterior styling. It's got a carbon bonnet, but it's not exposed, but you can see you've got the vents built in there in high gloss black, which goes along with the black styling, the grille. 22-inch wheels, again in high gloss black. Side steps, privacy glass, contrasting black roof. And when we move on inside, it's got the right interior, that stunning black and ivory interior. And fully maintained correctly and only done 23,000 miles. We're getting into winter months now, aren't we? So these types of cars do everything. Power, performance, space, big boot, loads of space for the family, four-wheel drive, sound unbelievable, and that's why they sell. The condition is superb. You can see the wheels are all unmarked. You've got them Brembo red brake calipers, the inserts on the wings in black, the mirrors, all de-chromed. And you've got a switchable sports exhaust. And we sell so many of these cars. I was looking on our site at previously sold cars, and we'd sold hundreds of these cars. They're unbelievable, and they do what they say. And I've said it, for value for money, in that category, that price range from say 80,000 to 110,000, there isn't a better car on the road for me that does what a Range Rover Sport SVR does. They do everything. This car, like I touched on earlier, has got that stunning interior, which is broken up black and ivory. Things you get is standard Meridian surround sound, memory seats, heated steering wheel, stunning Alcantara roof lining, sliding panoramic sunroof, great extra, ambient lighting throughout, and they're just a great car. I'm driving one of these at the moment because I just don't think there's a better car to use all year round. I know, like I touched on, we're in winter now, but I think all year round they do everything. So you've got full SVR performance steering wheel, which is heated, cruise control, you've got adaptive cruise control, you've got all your different settings. So we've got our sports exhaust, you've got race mode, dynamic programs, and then you can see ambient light. And these are little things I'm going to quickly show you, so which you don't get as on normal Range Rovers. So you can change all your colours, and then you can see that button there, which is your dynamic button. So you can change, once we change it into dynamic, everything changes in the car. So your steering's dynamic, the engine, the gear shift, you can change it how you want to, but the car then drives with power, and it stiffens everything up. So that's all little features that you can do with this car being a special engine and special car. Sliding roof opens up, and then other things as standard, you know, your reversing cameras, stuff like that. But it's all about, isn't it, the performance and the other little things you get with these cars. It's got a refrigerator in the centre as well, which isn't standard. You have to pay for that. In the back, bags and bags of space, rear heated seats, 4-zone rear climate control as well, privacy glass, so you can't really see in the back, which I think all works on a car like this. Boot space on an SVR is superb, big electric tailgate, massive boot, as you can see. And this car's lovely condition wise, it's lovely and crisp. It's done 23, it's all been maintained correctly, and it's still an expensive car, but as an SVR goes, for a new generation 575 horsepower, 87,990 is really priced to sell. So call us, get the car reserved. My number's on the bottom of the screen, and we'll hear from you soon.